Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hades 2 game not launching or won't launch or not able to launch error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the start icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to modify launch option. For that, you need to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general. Here you need to type -dx11 and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it resolves. If not, again come back, type -d3 d11 and then try to check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After it opens, go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if any update is available, and after your drivers are updated, check if you can launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link and after that update your graphics card and then check and play the game. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. It will take some time, and after verifying the game files, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility. Here select to run this program as administrator and click on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and click on apply and OK. If not, then again come back and click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to allow Hades 2 through game Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. After it opens, click on Firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through Firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you should find if your game is listed. If not, you need to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section and then go to the game folder, select your game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. After this, try to launch the game. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then click on downloads, go below and here you have to click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description, or you can simply go and search for Visual C++ files. After searching it, click on the first website. It will open. Now go below and here you have to click on it to download the Visual C++ files. After it download, install it. After installing it, restart your system and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to install DirectX. So you can also either search directly on your web browser, or I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy it and paste in your browser. After it opens, now click on download option and this will download the DirectX file. Once it's downloaded, now install it. After installing it, restart your system and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam and now click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you simply need to disable it by clicking on it. After that, check if the problem is fixed. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and then switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that, go below and search your game. If not, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder and select your game and add it to the list. After adding it, now click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You need to select high performance. After this, launch the game and see if it's launching or not. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to Windows search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Settings option, then click on Advanced, then click on Change. Here you need to select the drive where your game has been installed, then click on Custom Size, and here you need to type 12288 and then type in the maximum size 24576. Now remember, this configuration is for 8 GB RAM in your PC. So after doing this, click on Set and then click on OK. After this, check if the problem is resolved. If not, the final solution is to reinstall H2 games. For that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game once again and then check if you can play the game. So these are few solutions to fix H2 game not launching, won't launch, or unable to launch error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.